Making money on YouTube without showing your face. Create screen capture videos. You can create tutorial videos, software reviews, gaming content, or presentations where you record through your computer screen while providing voiceover narration. Animated videos. Voiceover videos. Niche channels. Collaborations. Podcasting. Focus on video production quality. Can I use Creative Commons videos on YouTube and monetize? It is important to respect copyright laws and intellectual property rights when using content from other creators. However, if you want to use Creative Commons videos in a legal and ethical manner, here are the steps you can follow. Creative Commons licenses provide a range of permissions for creators to specify how their work can be used. Once you have the necessary permissions and have attributed the original creator, you can download the video from the source platform using appropriate tools or websites.